For flavorful, perfect Ghana jollof rice, you need nothing but goat meat jollof rice. This was very delicious. The recipe was very easy to put together, which you will love it. Okay, so I thought of sharing it with you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. To start with this, I have with me here my good meat, and I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and then my seasoning. Okay, then I have salt in there as well. Now we are going to cover this very well and then allow it to cook. The goat is very hard, so we have to cook it very well, okay, to get that tender and perfect outcome. So I'll cover it, and after some time, this is how our goat is looking. I am just going to give it a stir. As you can see, it is not well cooked. We will leave it on fire. When it is ready, I will show you what we will do again. Now I have my jollof stew here. I will leave the link to this jollof stew recipe in the description box. It wasn't very well fried, so I'm just frying it for a while and then add my rice. So I have added the rice. I am just going to make sure I fry it very well, or I toast the rice very well before we proceed. If today is the first time here, we share easy recipes, as I said earlier. So please do well to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. You will love it here. Sorry, you are not going to regret subscribing or following, okay? So please do so. At this moment, good meat is ready, so I added the stock to the rice and then the jollof stew. Okay, so we are just going to mix it very well and then lower the fire so that it won't get burnt. Okay, I realized that the fire was too much. I thought I have lowered the fire, not knowing it was on medium. Yeah, so just bring it down and then concentrate. I'm going to ensure that the salt is okay before we cover this to cook very well. And I got to know that the water wasn't enough, so I added more. After 2-3 minutes, this is how it looks. I will just give it a stir and then cover it again, put it on fire. I'll be checking on it from time to time so that it will not stick to the pan and it will not burn as well. So that is what we are doing. Always ensure that the salt is okay before you cover it. We don't want the situation whereby we will be cooking, we'll get to the middle of the process and we need to add another salt to it. Maybe the rice that does not need extra water. Now what are you going to do? Are you going to sprinkle it on it? Okay, maybe it will work, but maybe it may hold at one place. So please taste for salt before you cover it or you start cooking. Okay, now we are going to cover this again and I'll get back to you. Now after some few minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, perfect. Yes, but we still have some moist there, and also the rice is hard. It is not ready yet, so I will just continue giving it a stir and then we will be checking on it till it is well cooked. Remember I said earlier that the rice is hard. Yes, we are not going to add any water to it because we don't need it. Okay, we just want to use the vapor or the heat to cook our jollof rice because we are not preparing a mutu or rice ball. We don't want it very, very soft. I am very sure that 99% of Ghanaians like their jollof rice singled out. Yes, but if you want it soft, that is your food, so you do it just like that. Okay, now we are frying the meat. I told you earlier that it was ready, so we'll fry it very well and then we can proceed. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always having some time with me. The meat smells very good, So please, what I will say again is that do well to follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and trust me, you will love it everywhere as well. For short videos, TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube channel is the best. We share the recipes in 3 languages on YouTube, and the name is Recipe Goddess. Please do well to follow us on YouTube as Recipe Goddess, and you will love it there. Now our meat is ready, so we are removing it from the oil. We are almost done with it, and when we are done, I will share with you what next. Thank you. If you've watched the video till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me? Leave me your comments in the comment section and your suggestions, okay, or your feedbacks. I will attend to them. Now this is how the jollof rice is looking now. Very soft, perfect, and delicious. Soft and singled, okay. Yes, so we will go ahead and then add the goat meat to it and then give it a stir. Make sure everything has combined very well. This is the first set. I will give it a stir and then we are good to go. I'm just reminding you again, I'll be very happy if you watch my jollof rice stew recipe, which I will be leaving the link in the description box for you to have access to it. You will need it, okay? It was very flavorful and perfect stew with few ingredients. Yes, with few ingredients. Now when stirring your jollof rice stew, you have to be very careful so that it does not become sticky, okay? Yes, so just relax and then give it a stir. Now all the meat is in there, so I'm adding the second batch so that I will show you how the outcome or the final look is. And trust me, this was very, very delicious. Yes, very, very delicious, and it was very easy to put together. I know the meat is too much, but trust me, half of the meat are bones, so yeah, it's okay. Now this is how the final outcome looks. Very delicious and very perfect. Thank you for watching. So I come your way next time. You can't afford to miss the next upload. Stay tuned and please watch our other videos. Bye bye.